Turkey has completed a flight test that demonstrated autonomous formation flying by two unmanned combat aircraft, according to information released by Baykar. During the test, the third prototype of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA, designated PT-3, and the fifth prototype, PT-5, took off consecutively and conducted a coordinated flight using intelligent swarm autonomy algorithms developed by Baykar engineers. The two unmanned combat aircraft maneuvered in close formation while operating under an autonomous combat pilot system, executing what Baykar described as formation flight without human intervention. According to the company, this marked the first time in aviation history that two unmanned combat aircraft have performed close formation flight autonomously. With this technological advancement, complex air missions traditionally carried out by manned fighter aircraft are being transferred to autonomous systems, the company said. Baykar said the capability allows multiple unmanned platforms to operate under a single command structure, autonomously adjusting their relative positions while conducting a shared mission. The system enables coordinated flight and maneuvering without direct pilot control, relying instead on onboard algorithms and real-time data exchange. As part of the same test campaign, the KIZILELMA prototypes also conducted a combat air patrol mission known as CAP. According to Baykar, CAP is one of the core elements of modern air combat, typically used to protect designated airspace and intercept potential threats. During the test flight, the KIZILELMA drones carried out a patrol along a predefined route using fleet autonomy software. Baykar said the exercise confirmed that air defense missions could be conducted by a group of national unmanned combat aircraft operating together as a coordinated unit. The company said that in the future, patrol and interception missions traditionally performed by manned fighter jets could be executed autonomously by KIZILELMA formations. This approach is intended to reduce pilot workload while expanding the operational reach of air defense assets. Throughout the testing process, engineers closely monitored the performance of the autonomous systems and the coordination logic governing multi-aircraft operations. Baykar said the data gathered during the flight will be used to refine the platform's ability to conduct joint operations with multiple unmanned assets. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA has been developed entirely with Baykar's own resources. The company said the aircraft's intelligent fleet autonomy infrastructure will continue to evolve, with a focus on enabling coordinated missions involving multiple platforms operating simultaneously. Baykar has positioned KIZILELMA as a next-generation unmanned combat aircraft designed to operate in contested environments. While the company has not released detailed performance specifications following the test, previous disclosures have described the platform as capable of high-speed flight, carrier operations, and integration with networked combat systems. The successful autonomous formation and patrol test comes as several countries pursue unmanned combat aircraft capable of operating in groups, often described as loyal wingmen or swarm concepts. These systems are intended to extend air power while limiting risk to human pilots.